To set your Galaxy Buds Live that is connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to read the alarm full content aloud, you have to enable read aloud full content for the alarm in the Galaxy Buds Live setting. To do so, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen. Find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. And then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the 3 horizontal line icon and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap earbud setting and then tap read notification allow. Tap alarm. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on, and then select read aloud full content. With this setting, when your alarm goes off while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, it will read the detail of the alarm aloud, such as the title, the time, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.